name is Portia. You are tuned in to Home Styling by Portia. I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So on this channel, we do home decor on a budget. So on the previous video, I had a home haul, a Pep home haul and Osbro, where I was buying a lot of home decor, bathroom decor stuff. So I did an update on my bathroom. If you didn't watch that one, I'll link it down below. I'm on a rented space, so I have 2 bathrooms, one main bathroom which everyone is using, and I have one in my bedroom which is just a shower. It's a small space, so that is the one that I'm updating. So that is the one that you'll be seeing on today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, let's get to the video. So guys, this is a tour into my bathroom. Remember, I had bought some items to update my bathroom. I did a Pep home haul and an Osbro home haul. So this is what I did with the items that I had bought. So I'll take you through everything that I did in the bathroom. So this is just a scrub, back scrub that I got from Osbo for 20 rands on the items. These are from Pep. I think they're about 10 rands. This bottle I got from Osbro, and then I printed on a paper. I'll make a small video on how I did this on a budget. It's for a shower gel. I'll show you on the hand wash and the hand lotion. So I spray painted the bottle. It was clear with a white lid, so I spray painted it black. This I got from a Chinese shop for 60 rands. This I use to scrub my thighs. It helps with elimination for cellulite. So before I take my shower, I just scrub my thighs, my buttocks. So I think that's about it in the shower. And then here, if you remember, this toothbrush holder was purple. I spray painted it black, and then these were clear, so I spray painted them black, as you can see. So these are this for hand wash and hand lotion. I dwight these stickers. This towel holder, I got it from Gelma. I think I paid between 60 rands and 69. The shelves were not in the bathroom. I inserted them myself. Bought the brackets. Can't remember the price. I think they range from 19 rands if I'm not mistaken. I stand to be corrected. This silhouette candle holder, I got it from a second-hand shop that sells deco items. I think I paid 20-30 bucks for it. This pillar candle, I got it from Pep Home for 31 rands if I'm not mistaken. So this is where the stickers came out nicely. I also DIYed these for the cotton balls, the cotton pads. I think because the containers are clear and they are printed in black, so they look nicer on this than these for me. So I'm not sure if this maybe would have been more nicer on maybe printed white. I don't know, but I thought this color would go very well with the black, but then it's not showing as clear as I thought it would to show. So this container, I repurposed it as well. I can't remember what was inside there, so I keep my bath soaps in it. So it's the cotton buds, the cotton balls, the cotton pads. I DIY'd. Let's come closer. I DIY'd that holder using wooden beads. Then I spray painted them white. That faux plant, I got it from a Chinese shop. I think I paid 60 rands for it. Then this candle holder here, this is a, what do they call these things? Guys, I forgot. I'll insert a picture for you guys. It slipped my mind. So what I did is I paper mached it and then I spray painted it black. This pot, I got it from Pep. Here it was terracotta. Here, sorry for that. Here it was terracotta, bought a few. Then I decided to spray paint it black so that it can go with the color scheme as well. This is a spray. This is, I'm keeping, what do you call these things that you put here to flash? The holder, paper mached. The nice part I printed from Pinterest. The frame I got it from Pep for I think $9.99 or $10.99. And then in the corner there, my brush holder was a different color as well. I spray painted it black. And this wall, I love this wall, guys. So what I did here is I bought hardcover paper from Crazy Store. I think one was, it's just that I can't remember the diameters now. The price for one was $12.99 or $12.50. 12 rands 50 or $12.99. I think I used two or three, and then I cut different circle sizes. Then I use press stick to put them on the wall. Then on this side, the frame, I got it from Osbro. I think it was going for 35 rands or 39. The print, I got it from Pinterest. I printed it from Postnet for, I think, 4 rands. I think. And then on the door, the towel holder, I got it, where did I get this? I got it from Osbro as well. The price, I think it was 38 rands, because I remember I was too excited about it because it was a still. I think it was 28 rands or 38 rands. I'll put the correct price on for you guys. Then I just spray painted it black. And then obviously the bath towels. And then this, excuse my feet, this mat, I got it from Pip. I love this mat. I got it from Pip. It's folded because it's a bit longer. I got it for, it was initially, I think, 119.99 or 109.99. But when I got to the till, I think I paid 89.99 or 99.99, but I think it was 89.99 that I paid for. So yes, guys, this is how the bathroom now looks. The updated version of it. So yes, and this I spray painted it as well. I'll put a before picture of how this looked. And it was a DIY basket as well that I used some ropes to make. So what you do is, after cutting the hand soap and the shower gel wording, you put sellotape on top of the word. Sellotape or packing tape, whichever way you want to call it. And then you use a card to press on the sellotape so that the ink can transfer on the tape. Then the next thing, after you've done that, you'll see the printing will look darker. So that means this is the very important step where you are doing the pressing. And then you put that in lukewarm water. I've found out that when you put it in lukewarm water, the process is quicker. The paper dissolves faster than if you use cold water from the tap. After, let's say, 10 minutes, then you begin to rub the paper from the tape. You rub it out until there's no white flakes from the tape. So you'll see as you are rubbing it off, some white paper will still be at the back, so you can still put it in the water. As I'm rubbing it now, the paper is being removed from the tape, so you'll only be left with the wording, that black wording that you've printed. After all the white paper has been removed, you can put it on the side, put the tape on the side. When it's dried, it's going to be sticky again. Then you can put it on your containers. I see on this one that I still have some white smallish flaking, so I was still supposed to put it in the water again so that there's completely nothing on the sellotape. Don't worry, when you put the sellotape on the side, it dries and then it regains its stickiness. Then you can put it on your containers. It works very well if your containers are clear. If you would have seen now on the ones that I did for the cotton balls and the cotton buds, it looks very nice. I'll try and put another picture for somebody who did it for their organization, their kitchen organization. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to like and follow and share the video. Thank you guys, till next time.